Hey guys, if you've liked this video at the end, please subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, like and share. Enjoy.
Okay, so what we're going to do now today is we're going to try to get it into this space here while hopefully doing it straight back. Now, not every setup will be perfect, all right? But so what I like to do here, once I see the space I'm going to go into, all right, I like to look to my right, all right, and I pretty much draw a line all the way down in my head, obviously. I'm not going to get outside with a piece of chalk, and I like to see what I'm pointing towards, okay? So my goal is to get it in here, all right, in one shot. That way, all I have to do is a simple straight back. All right. So now, first of all, my first mistake there is that I turned too soon. All right. I should have waited till my body was around here. Okay. So let's see what happens. All right. So I turned too early. Of course, I'm cranking to the right. Okay. Now I should have kept it going. I should have kept the turn going because see where I'm pointing towards? My trailer is only pointing towards here. Okay. So and of course now as soon as I start straightening it up, all right, I see that I'm not pointing towards my space. All right, now it's two options here. I could either drive straight, bring the axles over more, all right, and then kind of straighten it up. But I chose to go forward and go to the right, all right, which will put me pointing towards the front of the space. And now I let the straight back bring me over, okay, and then I can slowly guide it in. All right, now let's watch this now with the steering wheel and all the mirrors and the front and everything. All right, this is really what you should be paying attention to, okay? Now, as fun and interesting as the aerial will be, you got to be paying attention to the mirrors as well and watching the trailer, all right? So again, I turned too soon, all right? So now the mirror I'm watching here now is this one over here on the right, okay? So I can keep an eye on it the whole time. I turn a bit too soon, so I stop. So let's look and see. The green door here is where we're going. Okay, as you can see, I look at my left-hand mirror and there it is. And it's also down here in the bottom left. All right, but so a lot of people here now, they would actually, because the object, the door that they want to go to is on the left, they start turning to the left. All right, no, we need to rotate that trailer. We need to get our trailer pointing towards where we want it to go going forward. All right, so I'm going to turn the steering wheel. I'm going to crank it all the way to the right. Now I'm going to keep, now I'm watching this mirror here. All right, now I'm waiting. I'm going to keep turning. Now, of course, I've lost it over here, so I'm looking in the bottom mirror. I pretty much keep turning till I see my door. Of course, and then I crank it hard to the right. And now I have a straight back again. I love my straight backs. It's one of the most handiest backs to perfect. All right. Now I'm just going to let the straight back go. I'm just going to keep going straight back. I can still see it. Now, if I can't see the door that I'm backing up into, all right, it's either directly behind me and I won't be able to maneuver it to where I can get parallel, or I have a perfect straight back to where I'm right in front of it, I'm parallel to the lines, and everything's perfect. All right, the reason why you want to be able to see it in one mirror if you are angled is so by the time you get to around here, you can jackknife it just a little bit and then guide it in. We didn't have to do too crazy of a maneuver there. So let's go back to this. Let's go back to here again. All right. Now here I am looking over to the right. Okay. I'm looking to the right. Now I'm looking in this bottom mirror again. Remember now, bottom mirror, whatever side the trailer is at. Now a lot of people, what happens here now, right? Now as you can see, I start turning to the left right about here. This is where everybody wants to look to this mirror. Don't do that. Keep paying attention to the right. Your trailer is over there. All right. I don't really care about this. I'll peek over here just to make sure I'm not hitting anything. But just because you're turning to the left does not mean you need to be looking in that left-hand mirror, because all you're doing is waiting. All right. So let's say we did look to the left. All we're doing is waiting, 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 waiting. Ah, there we go. Okay. But if you're looking in the right-hand mirror, you're watching, 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 and not waiting. Of course, when we got a straight back going, then I'd look over. Always be looking in the mirror that you see most of the trailer. Okay. Of course, again, we're going to turn to the right. We're going to rotate our axles, pointing where we need them to go. And then we're going to let the straight back bring us over. Small little adjustment. All right, here's my little tip here, right? Now let's see if you can remember this one, all right, when you are backing up. All right, now when we get to here, I want the front of the trailer to go to the left. This part here, this part right here, not the back. All right, now I want the front part. So if I want the front part to go to the left, I'm going to turn that steering wheel to the left. See it go to the left? Of course, now I need to straighten up, so I'm going to turn to the right. Okay, and then straighten it again. Remember, wherever way you want the front of the trailer to go, turn in that direction. Wherever you want the back of the trailer to go in the opposite direction. It's the same direction, whichever happens, okay? But anyway, so that's it, really. Thank you very much for watching. Again, tune in to more videos. Click that little bell so you get notified. And subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff that'll help me out. Anyway, thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate it. Good luck to you. Bye-bye.
So I do have more videos like that if you want to click on any of these links. Thanks. Good luck.